guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie, so please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy Friday. Today is April 8th. Just ordered some Uber and I'm like, why not do a video? First of all, don't y'all gonna judge me because it's mad food, but you know what, y'all can see my face. This saying right here is not giving, bro. Now work. Anyways, yeah, so I ordered from this Spanish soul food place out here in Manhattan, like a couple blocks away. But my supervisor didn't come, and he was like, "Oh, take a break." So listen, why bag not open? But yeah, so they always put them in a separate containers. I mean, I could have, there's a lot of food. Look at self. Maybe, yeah. Oh, this yeah. Alright, so, okay. I've ate from this before. I think I put it in a vlog before. This place is so good. Like, it's like Spanish soul food. And the food really good. Not like, it's not like, I think my 4th time or 5th time ordering from there. But honestly, but the last time I ordered from there, the chicken didn't dry. Like, the fried chicken didn't dry. I mean, they have to, oh, see fried chicken, I'm sure. I mean, I have to report, like, complain and give up my money because, well, for the chicken, at least. This is the fried chicken. And, okay, so the reason I ordered so much food is because I had a $20 off from Uber, and I had to use it. It's end today, so I had to use it. So I'm gonna use it up. My order came up to 25 something, and with a coupon, it went down to $14. So it's a good amount of food for the price. And this is, see, this is one piece of stuff she put in the big container. So look, this is baked chicken, stewed chicken, fried chicken, broccoli. But this is what I wanted. And I had to buy something, a drink, because you have to add up to $25 for me to get the coupon. I honestly do want to drink this, but I'm not gonna drink it because for real, it's too much sugar in it. I can't bother. Oh, this is what I'm about to eat right now. This is the, oh, it's so good. Alright, so we got kale, cauliflower salad, mac and cheese. I've never tried the mac and cheese before. Baked chicken and rice and beans. Look at it. Simon also. This is not giving. I need to put. It's not showing the food. The salad is so good. I had it before. Kind of mac and cheese. You hear that noise? Okay, it was good. Again. This is so good. But the baked chicken, so good. Oh my god, it's so soft and nice. Yeah. It's so juicy. Very juicy. So yeah, I got all this food to get my coupon. Cold. I'm not ready. I started fried chicken already. I started fried chicken. That was this today. Wait, this is the Texas one she's getting me? This one is hot. I didn't ask for this one. This was gonna be the regular one. You give me the Texas one. They have two types of fried chicken. They have Texas and regular. I took the mine already. Who don't allow me? Thanks for tipping. I tipped him. I will enjoy my order. But anyways, oh yeah, the last time I ordered from Uber before today, was December 3rd. And I ordered rice and beans was from them. Rice and beans. But yeah, where is it? This food. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I was thinking about. It's heavy on the thinking. Okay, I was thinking about going vegan. Yeah, I was thinking about going vegan. Wait, look at something. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh my god. That's just the broccoli. The sauteed broccoli. Oh my god. This place is good. Alright, this place is in Manhattan. It's on West 38th Street. I'm not even far from them. But I couldn't go outside, so and I always order from them. I never go outside. Maybe I'm gonna go down there one day in person. But the mac and cheese is alright. That look good, right? Oh my god. Hit that food up. The time is 2:45. I have to give me the hot one. Maybe she didn't have no more of the regular one. Because I think get one regular in there and 3 spicy. And it's reasonable. It's not expensive. This is really hot. I ordered baked chicken combo, macaroni and cheese with 3 sides. A stewed chicken, sauteed broccoli, and fried chicken. Well, with the tip, it's 16.32, but it's really like $20 off. It's really $14. Yeah, that's it. I was saying I was thinking about going vegan, but I don't know because I love my chicken, and I honestly don't know if I could eat vegetables as a chicken. I didn't show you. I showed you everything. I didn't show you the stewed chicken. This broccoli is everything. This sauteed broccoli is so good. Oh my god. One thing about me, I'm gonna always eat my vegetables, okay? That's what my body kinda in a shape. Kinda. I need to work out more. Hold on. Next month is my birthday, and best believe I'm gonna be on a strict diet. Like ever since I came back from Jamaica, I started eating. Well, I was eating before I went to Jamaica. Brown rice. Listen, honestly, brown rice do give you so much. You could tell the difference of your body when you eat brown rice compared to when you eat white rice. I don't know about nobody else, but for me, I can tell the difference. It makes your stomach feel so light. Because it cleans you out. It's like a detox. So I'll be heavy on my brown rice, but this is rice and beans. I mean, one day won't kill me. It's Friday. I'm treating myself. I deserve it. I'm tearing up this food. I don't think I ever had this stewed chicken. I don't think I ever had this stewed chicken. I would look. Just taste it. It's Spanish stewed chicken. It's very good. Oh yeah, it's very good. The price is very reasonable. It's like $4. If they sell it separate, like the rice separate, the chicken separate. So you put everything in a bowl. The mac and cheese. This type of soul food you could get on for a reasonable price. Why not? Oh my gosh. Like I have food for later. Shit, and tomorrow. I can eat the rest of my brown rice. But yeah, like I said, I was thinking about going vegan, but I don't know. I don't know. I love chicken. If everybody know me, you know some chicken is my favorite. I love chicken. So I don't know. I honestly don't know if I could do it. I could try for like a month and see. But I have a few vegan friends. Hey Sheena and Cassie. Both Jamaicans. They're both Jamaicans, and well, I mean they're not friends. I'm just saying they're both Jamaican. I'm thinking about. I just love fruits. I mean vegetables though. I don't know. I know for one thing, I know for sure I know. I look out bread. It's gonna be hard because I love all the bread and wheat bread. But the rice thing, I'm good with the rice thing already because I've been on the brown rice. And I actually last like a couple years ago, like 2014, around that time. I tried the brown rice before and I never liked it, and it came out very hard. But the thing is with that, when you cooking brown rice, you have to cook with a lot of water. With a lot of water compared to how you cook the white rice. Because they have more ingredients, more rougher ingredients in there. I think you need more water to cook the rice. The brown rice. But I'm loving the brown rice so far, so I can stick to the brown rice. And I actually let Kimani tried it, and he couldn't tell the difference. I don't know if he was too hungry or what. I was telling his father, I'm like, yo, start giving him brown rice because the white rice is. I don't like all the rice, but the white rice is just like, you know, making him gain weight. But so I did cook for him one time last week actually, and I didn't try it. And maybe because I cooked with curry shrimp, he didn't notice. But that boy tore that up. He tore it up. He topped everything. I was waiting for him to take this first bite. I was like, and he was just going in. I'm like, yes. And when he finished the plate, I was like, okay, brown rice it is. Come on. Okay, you can eat the white rice, but please give my child some brown rice because it's father to be feeding him. I don't complaining, but I don't like how my son is right now, to be honest. I'll be telling his dad to just give him some, you know? He do give him vegetables and stuff, but it's the white rice. Because he might not love rice. I guess it don't matter what rice you give him, he will eat it. Because I was surprised when you eat the brown rice. I thought he wouldn't like it. But yeah. That's my rant for today. I don't know if I'm gonna go vegan. I'm gonna try it for a month. You know what? Let me not say that because honestly, I don't think I can promise to do. I can't promise y'all that. I can't promise myself though. So, I'm getting full. I love kale and I love spinach. I actually love spinach better than kale. But, I'm getting full. I'm about to put that Sprite in the fridge so somebody can get it. Because as bad as I want it, I'm not going to drink it. I can't. It would have tasted so good with this food right now, but I'm dropping raw water. What else? I tore that up. I was hungry. But I ain't gonna go home and cook on a Friday. I actually do need to wash my hair though. My hair been, I still have these braids from Jamaica from when I first, you know, braided my hair after I did that wash video. So my hair, I have these braids for a month. I gotta take these braids off. I think I wanna wash my hair today, but I don't know. I don't know. It was hard when I get home. Anyways, this is the end of this video though, cause I'm not gonna make it go any longer than this. 21 minutes already. Okay. Now for the fried chicken with the broccoli. Because I'm not going to trouble with too much container on my yard here. This big ass chicken though. I got a ton. Now I got 3 containers, which is cool. It's better than being 5. I'm full. Thank you God for that meal. That was so good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.